Everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with another product review that is Just Herbs Rejuvenating Elixir Face Serum, that is Gotukola Indian Ginseng. So you can see that this is a very new packaging and I really wanted to do an honest review about it, and it is of 15 ml, that is 0.53 ounce. So I love the packaging, it's really beautiful, and I paid around 1195 rupees for 15 ml, which is quite pricey. And the description about the product and the ingredients used and direction to use the product has been described in the box, and you can just go through it. And the best thing about this product is that it is cruelty free, it is recyclable, and it is certified organic. Now, talking about the packaging of the box, it has proper Indian authentic design which makes it stand out from the rest, and I really love the colors that they have used for the box. It's just attractive. And now, talking about the bottle that is present in the box, it holds the product, and it comes in a dark glass so that it is not coming in direct contact with the sun, which is really good because it's recyclable. And on the top is a plastic pump where you can just take out a pea size of product and just apply it on your face. So in general, the packaging is just amazing. So now, looking at the texture, always make sure that you do a patch test before applying directly on your face. So I just took a pea size of the product and just spread it out on the skin to see how well it absorbs and if I get any sort of allergic reaction. But yeah, it is having so much of blend of oils that I am pretty sure that I'm going to do a patch test before directly applying it on the face. So I have evenly spread the product on the skin just to see how well it gets absorbed. So after the absorption, this is how my skin looks like. It has a natural glow to it, which makes me feel really good that it might look really nice on my face once it's absorbed. So the product claims that it imparts glow, reduces pigmentation, fine lines, dark circles, minimizes signs of aging, hydrates and revitalizes the skin. It is lightweight and it's fast absorbing and suits all skin types. But yeah, it did impart a glow, and I think the other things are also promising. So let's try it on my face and see how does it actually work. So I took a pea size amount with the help of the pump, and I just spread it out on my cheeks as well as my T-zone so that I can nicely massage the product right into my skin and see how it really works. If you think it's not sufficient, just take a bit more of the product and just apply it directly on your face. So when you're massaging, make sure that you're massaging it upwards, you're not going to do it downwards, in circular motion so that the blood flow is evenly distributed on the face. So make sure that you nicely spread the product all over your face and see the glow that it just gives just after the application. So after application on the face, make sure that you don't forget your neck area because it also needs attention. Trust me girls, you need to take care of your neck as well the way you take care of the face because it is also exposed with your face. So I'm just gonna do is just rub the product in the upward direction so that it just get absorbed by my skin and it can impart the glow all over my face and my neck, just giving that even glow all over my face. So yes, just nicely massage it into your skin so that it really well absorbs it. So after applying the product, I did the dry test by pulling my skin apart a bit and then just gently pressing my finger if it dries out my skin, but it did not. It had given my skin a nice moisturized, hydrated look. So the final rating for this product is 9 out of 10. And in conclusion, the pros is that the ingredients are all naturally derived and are plant-based. It is fragrance-free and it is really suitable for the allergic skin. It is best for the people with aged skin because it can get rid of wrinkles, and it is fast absorbing and doesn't leave a sticky feeling. It is recyclable and best replacement for the chemical-based serums out there in the market. The cons is that it is a bit expensive, and on the luxury side it has a lot of oil present in it, so which makes me wonder if the formulation is trustworthy. As it's natural, it works really slow on your skin to show a difference on your face, so you need to be pretty patient to see the huge difference on your face. So keep applying this product. That's the motto. So that's it. Thank you very much for watching, and make sure that you like and subscribe to my channel without fail for more videos, and I will see you soon. Bye.